Motion with variable acceleration. We know that the gradient of a displacement time graph gives velocity. But what if the graph is a curve, as shown here? Clearly, the velocity is changing over time, as the gradient changes all the time on a curve. But if we know the function, we can find the gradient and hence the velocity at any time. Velocity is therefore ds dt. We can make the same argument regarding acceleration on a velocity time graph. So the acceleration would be dv dt. Since differentiation and integration are reverse processes, it follows that velocity will be the integral of acceleration with respect to t, and displacement would be the integral of velocity with respect to t.